Hey everybody, this is John with Crypto Networker News. And guys, I've been away for a while. I've been working on a lot of cryptocurrency projects, and I haven't put a video out. I just wanted to first apologize for that and just let you know what I'm doing and what's going on. So as you can see here, I started a new channel. I started a new channel called Crypto Bull News. It has a lot of information on cryptocurrency. It's not all network marketing or crypto networking. It's mainly news, but I do have some really special offers that you find. You can find ways to, let me just go through here, videos here. So let's take a look at some of the videos that I put out that people just absolutely were thanking me and love having, because it's free giveaways. So we have EOS, which is a cryptocurrency, how to earn free EOS, free cryptocurrency. They're giving it away for free, no strings attached, right? Free XLM, Stellar, free BAT, right? So energy, earn drop, earn 100 NRG tokens. They're over $8 right now. That's $800 free cryptocurrency. So this is what my channel is. These are some of the videos in it. I do a video every single day. I think in the last 30 days, I may have missed 1 or 2 days, but every single day I give you the latest updates, because cryptocurrency world changes very, very quickly, right? And you want to keep up on it, just, so you could stay ahead of the game. So I'm going to offer you guys a lot of free information. I take suggestions. First of all, please like and subscribe to this new channel. You will, trust me. Do yourself a favor and do it. I don't think you'll be upset that you did. I think you'll be happy that you did this, because I'm going to give away a lot of good information here that I'm not giving away on the Crypto Networker channel. Crypto Networker News channel, I am not keeping up on it as much as I was. So you really want to keep up with me. You want to subscribe to this channel. There's a link in the description. Just click on it, log into your Google, subscribe, and make sure you check out my videos and like them and comment. Let me know what you're looking for, right? What you want me to talk about. And I love to know your comments as well. So there is a nice offer here. If you notice, there's this cryptocurrency forecasting. If you're into cryptocurrency and you have some Bitcoin, and it's just sitting there, you don't know what to do, you don't know when to buy and sell and how to do stuff, I have a great program called Python Signals. Now, this is a paid program. This one's not free, but it's only like $50 a month, or you could pay $500 for the year. And let me tell you guys, this is fantastic. Who's this for? This is for people who have cryptocurrency and want to learn how to buy and sell the dips, but they don't want to do that technical analysis. They don't want to go in an exchange like Binance, and they don't want to do this. They don't want to go and say, all right, where do I buy the high and the low, right? You look at this chart, 24-hour high of Bitcoin is 11,600. The 24-hour low is 10,800. So if you want to learn what coins are the best to buy, hold, and it's not really a trading thing. It's more like a forecasting to let you know what's going on in the market, so you know when to get out, when to get in. It's not a day trading thing. It doesn't require a lot of skills, but it's run by a gentleman named Marius Landman. He is fantastic, guys. Come to this landing page and check it out. I'm going to play a little video here for you guys, but all you need to do is click access here. You use my link. It is an affiliate link. I will get paid, full disclosure. It's something you can join and don't have to promote. This is for your own purpose of learning and educating yourself on the current market conditions of cryptocurrency and what coins are best to purchase and whatnot. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So please do your due diligence before purchasing cryptocurrencies and getting into crypto. I always say that. Don't put any more than you can afford to lose, okay? But what I want to do before I go is play this video of Marius Landman. Now, Marius Landman is the owner of Python Signals. He's the main guy behind it. He has a software that predicts the market with extreme accuracy, right? and the software is not yours. You don't get access to the software. You get access to his forecasting. He uses the software. He'll give you videos. He'll send you videos out, live webinars where he'll show you what's going on, and then you make your own decision. But it's fantastic. And if you have any questions, please put your information in the comments, and I will try to answer them. If you need me to, contact you, you could do this, and I'll put this up on the screen. You can contact me at cryptobulishnews@gmail.com. That'll pop up right now. But let me play Marius Landman's video, where it's just a quick video where it kind of shows you how accurate he's been able to predict the market in cryptocurrency, especially during the last boom in 2017, where he predicted that boom and he predicted where people should have gotten out. So let's watch Marius Landman, and I hope you enjoy this, and check this out. And
15 December 2017, Bitcoin hit this high point. On approximately about 8 or 9 December 2007, I sent out a report to our members all around the world and said that Bitcoin is going to reach a high point at or around 15 December, and that high point is 19,500. We are the only people in the world that I know about that can credibly show that they called the high point on 15 December 2007. Our members got out of the market at that high point. Right down here at the bottom, here in 15 December 2018, we told our subscribers at Python Signals, and we said risk-adverse investors can now get back into the market. Those people who got it back in the market went up all the way high to this point here. Again, on 15 December 2018, we are the only people in the world that I know of that have called the low in Bitcoin. What is going to come next? You need to get hold of a Python Signal representative or affiliate that will show you how to get into Python Signals and how to get your hands on our reports. Let's go back here to the overall view for Bitcoin. In this chart, you can see that this is the weekly chart, and right here on the bottom here at about 2011, right there to where we are now today, which is 19 May 2019. You can see here that the market retraced about 84% in 2011. Here in 2013, the market again retraced 84%. And then again here in 2014 and 15, the market retraced by 86%. During the 2017 and 2018 retracement, Bitcoin dropped 83%. So you can see here 84, 84, 86, 83%. The market then turned around. Now let's have a look here how fast or how much the market went upwards. If you take that right there to the top, you can see that Bitcoin went up. After the retracement of 84%, it went up 500%. What did it do here in 2013? And let's go right down to the bottom there, and we move that up, and you'll see it went up another 485%. Here in 2014 back to 2017, it went up a staggering 12,500% gains. This is what Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies made, guys. As a matter of fact, cryptocurrencies made more. Now, what is happening next year, where the market is here, right there at 19 or 20 May 2019? If you want to know what is going to happen next, you have to get in touch with one of our affiliates at pythonsignals.com. Right down in this video, on the bottom there, the comments, have a look there. There will be affiliate links. Sign up for free at one of those links. Get in touch with a Python Signals affiliate, and we will get you into our community where you can get hold of our unique reports. Again, guys, we were the only people in the world that I know of that have called the high of Bitcoin in 2017. We are the only people in the world that I know of that have called the low of 15 December 2018, where we told our subscribers to get back into the market. Sign up here at pythonsignals.com. Have a fantastic day. We look forward to seeing you on the other side.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. So basically, that's the Python Signals gentleman that I told you about. You come to this landing page, you could see more of some of the testimonials. You could see some of the live training that they did. So it's really for people who are just interested in getting these reports and taking their Bitcoin, their cryptocurrencies, and learning what steps to follow. Now, it has an optional affiliate program with a 2x18 force matrix, a binary. Okay, that is completely optional. You don't have to do this. It's definitely worth it. But because the information he's given you is so valuable that you just can't find this information anywhere. And if you're not a technical somebody who does technical analysis, I don't go through these Bitcoin charts and try to find where the low and the high and the candlesticks and all that. That kind of stuff is left for professionals. I let this gentleman do it, and that's why I pay him very, very cheap. It's under $2 a day, $1 something a day to pay for this. It's very, very good. I think you should consider this. And if you're someone who needs to start out, because they don't show you how to do wallets, they don't show you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. This is not a training on how to do cryptocurrencies. This is forecasting and giving you signals on when to get in and out of market, but you have to learn how to do that. So I've had a lot of people ask me, hey, I really don't know how to set wallets up or how to set up accounts that have some of these coins. Can you help me? Absolutely. I'll be more than happy to help people as a separate service, very affordable. I have a bunch of people interested in this, and we could talk about that as well. But contact me at cryptobullishnews@gmail.com. If you received an email, please, I'll have some information, and just go ahead and reply to that email and let me know if you want more training or more information. Okay, guys? This is John with Crypto Networker News. Please subscribe to my new channel. Please like, subscribe, check out these videos, and let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, guys? Thanks again. You guys have a great day. I'm looking forward to meeting some more of you people and getting you guys involved in cryptocurrency. Guys, if you see what's going on, if you don't know what's going on in cryptocurrency, it's getting ready to explode. Just watch some of my videos. We're going to see levels of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin at the highest levels we've ever seen it ever. It's going to break through the $20,000 high that it did in 2017 pretty soon, probably by the end of the year. We're going to start seeing massive growth in cryptocurrency. So don't miss out on this. This is very important. You got to act now, because if you don't, you're going to be saying, "Oh man, I wish I would have done it and followed what John was telling me about, back on July 6th in 2019, and now it's July 6th, 2020, and we're showing $1 million profits because literally, some of us are going to become very, very wealthy in the next 1 to 2 years in cryptocurrency is going to shock the world. So I want you guys to be involved in it. So you guys have a great day. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.